Hey guys, what's up? It's Pressley and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am so excited because I'm moving, which is so crazy to think about. If you don't know, I have been living in LA for I think about a year now. And I've been living in an apartment just because we've been getting settled, trying to find the right place and area that we want to live in. And we finally found the perfect house and I'm so excited to finally be moving in. And yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I'm actually super sad to be moving out of the place that I'm in right now because it's so cute and I love it so much. And I've made so many memories there over the past year. So it's gonna be really fun, but also really sad. But I'm excited to start this new journey in my new place. So before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and just post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to go shop my brand new clothing line in the description box down below. Okay, so before we get on with the video, let me just explain to you guys kind of what's going on. So obviously we're going to be packing up the entire house, so we have to do all of that. It's going to be a lot of work, but I also have to go back to New Jersey and empty out our storage unit there and officially move all of our stuff to LA. So that's going to be super exciting and really crazy because now I'm going to officially be living in LA. And I think that that's kind of going to make it super official that I now live here because I literally have nothing left in New Jersey of my stuff. That's kind of crazy, kind of sad, but I'm really excited. So let's get on with this video. Hey guys, so it is the night before we move. We are packing everything up tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. And guess what? I've packed enough. This has to come down, my wallpaper, all of my shelves, all my clothes have to be packed up, all my makeup products, all my skincare, everything in my bathroom. And I have to do that now. So fun, right? Let's do this. First piece of furniture is going. Woo!
Ooh.
Yeah! I still have a lot more to do. Oh, the bed's going. So much dust. I broke my bed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
I need you to move out the way.
I'm trying to help. Oh, ow! Ah! Oh my god! Oh. Bye, bed. See you later. Currently stuck. There's a mattress on top of it. So fun. Packing up my shoes. Okay, guys, so it's the last day. Oh my god. Okay, so it's the last day in this house, and Emily's here now. She's gonna help, but it's time to say goodbye to my wall collage. I'm so sad. I love this wall so much, and now I have to take it down. It's an end of an era. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's like ASMR. Stop! I'm so sad. Oh my gosh. So we did all we could do. This is so sad. I'm actually so, I can't believe it. Oh, the double-sided tape is just on the wall. And now I have to take all this off. Ew. Oh, God, we're gonna be here forever. I'll see you guys when it's a blank wall. Okay guys, part 2. Time to say goodbye to my wallpaper wall. The end of an era. I'm so sad. I can't do this today. Okay, ready? Wait. Shoot, I can't grab it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's kind of like a big Corolla. It is. Polly, you need to unscrew the outlet.
Really cool thing.
Yeah.
It's called a screwdriver.
I can use it.
I'm gonna show you how it works. Take this piece, what outlet? That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, put that, line it up inside the thing. There you go. At the button. Emily, this one is for you. Actually, you're allowed to work for that one.
No. I lost a nail on this finger in the process. These were holding up really well. I lost all these yesterday. Emily's literally a professional at this. Slay. Guys, it's gone. Well, almost. Somebody's struggling a little bit. Just Emily playing with open wires. Okay, so Emily the builder. Okay, so you see this hole here?
Yeah.
So you want to line it up, and you're gonna want to screw this.
Okay.
There you go.
What happened?
Oh, okay, you're breaking the screw. Watch out.
Sorry.
It's okay. No worries.
There's that for you folks. Okay guys, so it's our last time in this house ever. It is completely empty, like there's nothing left. We have to bring Shenanigans to the new house and she's freaking out that she's in this crate. But yeah, look at it, it's empty and we're never gonna see it again. Say goodbye to my room. Oh my gosh. In my bathroom. This is so weird. Bye house, bye. Okay guys, it's me again, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me pack up my whole other house. Stay tuned for a house tour and a room tour coming very soon. I cannot wait to show you guys everything because it's so cute and I'm obsessed and I'm so excited for you to see it. But for now, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'll put them right here on the screen. And don't forget to go shop my brand new clothing line by clicking the link in the description box down below or going to teenshop.com. Thank you so much for watching. Noise number 2. Stay sweet. See you next time. Bye!